Hi guys, in this video I will discuss a tutorial. How to use Quick Share on a Samsung phone, to send files to another phone, even a PC or laptop. Here are the steps. This is an example of all the files I will send. First, I'll select everything. Then tap the share button that appears down here. Then select Share via Quick Share. So, to send to a non-Samsung device, tap the QR code or link option. Then a QR code image will appear, and also a link below it to use. Next, on another phone device, open the QR code scanner feature. It's usually a default app, so you don't need to install it again on the Play Store. Point the scanner camera at the QR code image, displayed by Quick Share. Then click Go to Website to continue. Here, the files that have been sent will appear. You can download them all immediately, or you can also download them one by one, according to your convenience. Finished. That's how to use Samsung's Quick Share to send files to another phone or even PC. Easy, right? Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video.